Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I am going to answer the question: is the application for your headphones Beats Studio Pro available for your iPhone? So if we go to the App Store and trying to find this application, it's called Beats, we cannot do this. Right here I have only for the speakers. So my short answer is no. But you don't need to have an application for your iPhone, because these headphones, this is a product made by Apple, so you already have all application feature in your phone. You need to only pair your headphones with the phone, and then if it connected with your phone, you can click right here at this line with your headphones. Or you can also find this if you go to this Bluetooth and click the information icon near to your headphones, and you have this menu, so this one the same as in the application. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!